Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Today's topic is whole numbers, which is in 6th chapter. Today I discuss about the whole number. Before I discuss the whole number, I just discuss the natural numbers, which is what is natural number. What is natural number? The counting number which starts from 1 is called natural number. The counting number which is starting from 1 is called natural number. Then the example of natural number be 1, 2, 3, ... There is no ending point. Natural number starts with 1 but the no finishing number. Okay. Now I discuss about the whole number. What is whole number? Whole number, the counting number which starts from 0. Natural number starts from 1 and whole number starts from 0. Then the example of whole number be 0, 1, 2, 3, ... There is no ending point also, ending numbers also. The starting number of the whole number be, the smallest whole number be 0. There is any largest or biggest whole number? No. The lowest or smallest natural number be 1. There is any largest or biggest natural number? No. That's why all of you understand natural number, what is natural number and what is whole number. I think so all of you understand. Now I discuss about the addition of whole numbers on a number line. First, before you doing the addition, just look the number line. What is the number line? The number line is whole number starts from 0. I already said before, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and blah blah blah. Okay. Now I take a question here. Add whole numbers 4 and 3 on a number line. Where is 4? Just you mark here. This is 4. And then 4 with 3. Then 3 places. Here 1, 2 and 3. Then you add 4 with 3. The number become here. This is the addition of 4 plus, here is 4, then you go 3 places, then you go to 7. Then the result become this one. Add 3 plus 4 be 7. This is the addition on the number line. You do few sums in your home. If you see in your book, in exercise, whatever you do in your home, just do like this. Okay. Now I discuss about the subtraction of the whole numbers on a number line. Then I take another question. Subtract. What is this? 3 is subtracted from 6. 3 is subtracted from 6. That's why first I draw a number line. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I said? 3 is subtracted from 6. So the first is here is 6. Then you go back to 3 steps. 1 steps, 2 steps and 3 steps. Then you go here. This is the result. Okay. Now the 3 steps be and you become here. Then the number line subtraction be 6 minus 3 is also 3. You do the addition also here. Just you go 4 to 3. 3 steps you go. 1 steps, 2 steps and 3 steps. You become in 7 here. Okay. Just do the number line addition and subtraction like this. You practice more and more sums from your book. Okay. Now I discuss multiplication of whole numbers on a number line. That's why I take a question from multiply 2 into 4. I multiply 2 into 4. That means what is this? You multiplication, nothing but addition. Okay, that means you just add 2 4 times. Is it the multiplication now? Yes. You just add 2 to 4 times. Now you draw a number line. Then the whole starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9, 10, whatever. That goes on. Okay. You must remember it. The gap is always same. You do the number line in the pencil and by the pencil and the scale also. Okay. You always do the number line, pencil and scale also, and gapping must be the same. Listen very carefully. Okay. Now you do the multiplication. This one you go 2 is 4 times. First 1 2, then 2 2, then 3 2, then 4 2. You just come here. Then the multiplication by the number line become this one is 8 is the answer. You just do the multiplication like this, addition like this, subtraction like this. Okay, now I discuss about the successor of whole numbers and predecessor of whole numbers. First, I just say successor. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means which number is given, then plus 1. You just add 1. And the predecessor be which number is given, you just subtract from this number 1. Okay. Now the number I give a number, that is, what is this? This number 2,31,000, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. 2,31,526. Then the successor become which is plus 1. 2,31,527 also. And next I discuss about the predecessor. Predecessor means just you do the subtract from this number minus 1. Okay. Now here is the number be 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The number, then the predecessor become, there is 20 and 20 minus 1, 19. Then the number become 34,56,319. Am I clear? Understood all of you? Okay. Now I discuss about the properties of whole numbers. Which is the property? Which property I apply when I do the sum? Just I discuss this one. Okay. Now first under addition. The properties of whole number under addition. I already said only in the math only 4 operations are there. In 10, 11, 12, all these things nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also. Okay, all these things under these 4 4 operations. Start. Now under these 4 operations. Okay, now I just use, first I discuss about the closure property. What is the meaning of closure property? I just take, let A and B be 2 whole number. Be 2 whole numbers. Okay. Then A plus B must be whole number. That means whole number. Okay, that means you take 2 and 3. Then it must be 3 plus 2 is 5. This is also be a whole number. When you do the addition, you take two whole number. When you do the addition must be the whole number. This is the closure property of addition. Okay, now the commutative property. What is the commutative property? You take A and B two whole number. All the time you just let A and B two whole number. Then you just see A plus B is equal to also be the B plus A. That means 3 plus 2 also be 2 plus 3 is 5. Am I clear? This is called the commutative property. Okay. I discuss about the associative property. What is the associative property? Let A, B, C 3 whole number. Okay. 3 whole number. Then, what is this? Then A plus B plus C must be equal to A plus B plus C. Now I take an example. 2, 3, 5. Now 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. First you 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. This is called the associative property. What is this? First you do, all of you know the Bodmas rule. Okay. First you do the bracket operations first, bracket operation 2. Then just you do the bracket operation, just you do the bracket operation here. Then you do here. That is 2, 10 and then you do the bracket operation. Then you add 5. That is also be 10. This is called the associative property. Now I discuss about the existence of the additive identity. What is the additive identity? Additive identity means the number which is add with any number, the number be unaltered. That means you add 0 with any number. This is also be a this number. Then that implies I take an example here. You just take 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2 whatever. This is 2. Then here 0 is called the identity, additive identity. Here 0 is called the additive identity. You always remember it. What is the identity? Identity means you add with the any number. The answer be this any number. Okay. This number is called additive identity. Here 0 is additive identity. Okay. For today, if you like my video, please press the like button, press the bell icon to get the further notification and share it. Thank you. That's all.